This is wmpyr. For today's lesson, we're going to go back to the Heaven 6 and we're actually going to modify it, okay, once again. So, Heaven 6, starting position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all right? You need to already know that. So from here, we're going to go to my favorite method, which is the substitution method. We're going to substitute the number 1 technique with a figure 8, okay? The figure 8 is going to come from the top like this, okay? It's a sideways figure 8, basically an infinity sign, but you could do it from the bottom this way, which is probably more natural for a lot of people, but today we're going to be going from the top like this, okay? So this is, see, this is the figure 8 motion that we're going to be doing, all right? So from this starting position, instead of doing number 1, okay, we're going to do figure 8, and it should take you there, okay? So I'm making the figure 8, and it just naturally comes down into a slash that takes me to where I need to be over here anyway. So that's number 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Again, figure 8 into a slash, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm just doing the follow through, and it takes me to where I need to go. So figure 8 right here, and it takes me there. All right, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We start again. Figure 8, follow through. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this can also be done with the other side, because remember in the Heaven 6, the other side, number 4, 5, and 6, number 4 is the mirror equal to number 1. So I could also do it from number 4, which is this side right here. Exact same thing, okay? 5 and 6, and then number 1 goes back to the figure 8, okay? And then number 4, 5, 6, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is a very, very nice exercise that you can do by incorporating both sides like that, okay? But definitely, if it's confusing, stick to one side, start with one side. If you can handle both, then that's great, okay? The next one we're going to go to is we're going to modify it, okay? So this is what we were doing. We were adding this figure 8, but now instead of going into this follow through, we're actually going to change it into a strike out there, okay? So instead of going like this into a slash, all right, I'm doing the same figure 8 and actually striking right there. So as I complete the figure 8, boom, it strikes out. And then I bring it back, and the rest is the same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Figure 8, strike out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just want you to notice the detail. The first one is a slash, all right? The second one we're doing is a strike out. So I'm actually sticking that weapon out, all right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. See, it sticks out and then it comes. Okay, that's different from slash, all right? Same figure 8. First one is a slash. Boom. I'm bringing it in. The second one that we're doing strikes out and then it parks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. See that? It's that strike out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. See that? 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the slash. This is the first one that we're doing, okay? So the third one that I want to go into is we're going to come here and we're going to work off of the second one. So we strike out here, and that gives you momentum that we were using to kind of spring it back, but instead we're going to turn it into an abanico strike right there, okay? Abanico strike and then park it, okay? So let's do that again. So from here, from the top, it comes this way, okay? Figure 8, strike out, abanico, okay? One strike, not double strike, just one strike over here, and then park it, okay? So let's, once again, figure 8, strike out, abanico, park. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam, strike out. You see that? So that's what it should look like. A little bit smoother. Bam. And then continue to number 6. Okay. Bam. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The rest stays the same. All right. Strike out. Boom. And then park. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. Okay. So you can see just how much more intricate the strike becomes. So from here, bam, see, bam, bam, right there. So technically right here when I strike, this is already where my abanico is starting. I'm linking it to an abanico strike, so bam, right there. At the end of the figure eight, I strike out, strike, and that helps me. I'm already parked. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strike, strike. See, you got so much momentum there. I want to keep on going. All right, but just do one. Bam, bam, and park. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam, bam. Just like that. So I hope you're able to follow it, okay? If not, just make sure you spend a lot of time in each stage, and then it should take you to the last one, all right? So thanks for watching, and take care.